Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline i96, maybe the first in the UK to fit it on a Q2. Basically how it works is every time you jump in the vehicle, you go through a push sequence on the steering wheel or the windows. Once you pass that authorization, the vehicle will start. If someone was to clone your key, jump in and start the vehicle, this is what would happen. They try and start it, obviously try and start it. Vehicle will start. And cut out. There you go, vehicle's cut out. Vehicle won't start. Okay, vehicle won't start. So every time someone jumps in the vehicle, you go through an authorization. It will either be PIN code or tag or smartphone as tag. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn on the ignition, insert the code, receive our melody. There you go, start the vehicle. Really clever. Really straightforward. Obviously you get the fault codes because the vehicle's trying to jam, but if you were to just jump in, disarm, obviously we didn't leave it long enough, start the vehicle, you wouldn't have any faults. It's trying to block. So okay, say for example you wanted to change the code. The way you would change the code is ignition on, go through your disarm, but obviously we've done it less than 10 seconds, so it's disarmed, and then hit this button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off. Ignition back on. You get 5 bleeps. And now it's ready to learn. But this time we're actually going to use the window button. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Wait for a melody to accept the code. Again. 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody. There you go, code has now been learned. So if I turn off the ignition, leave it for about 10 seconds, try the new code, you'll see we've programmed the new code. Also, you can actually pair up a phone. We've actually paired up the customer's phone already, so we're going to turn the Bluetooth on and show you how that works. I assume this is 10 seconds now. So ignition on, go through your new disarm code, 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, there you go, start your vehicle. Also, I'm now going to show you how to pair a phone. So to actually pair the phone, first of all, you need to disarm the system and put it in discoverable mode. And the way you do that is ignition on, disarm it. So 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, and then go, many of these buttons go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Key off, key back on. 7 bleeps. We're now ready to learn. So the customer's just downloaded the app. This is what it looks like. So now, because it's in discover mode, we just push here, allow, turning on Bluetooth. There you go, it's found it. We're going to select it. So we just select it now. Say connect. Pair new device. There it is, we found it. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connect. There you go, it's now learnt. So if we now turn off the ignition, and now we go to Starline key, see if we can find it. There's Starline key, turn on the ignition. There you go, it's already found it.